Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to add collaboration in Instagram after posting a reel. So you just have to launch your Instagram application, go to your profile and locate that reel that you have posted. To add a collaboration, you just have to tap these three dots and then you should see the option here, edit. Okay, so what you're going to do is to simply tap this edit in order for you to add a collaboration since you have already posted this reel. Now here, what you're going to do is you should see this add paid partnership label once you tap edit. Okay, so suppose that this is your reel, and in case that this feature is available in your country, once you have tapped that reel that you have posted, click the edit, you should see this one, add paid partnership label. So you can add a collaboration here. So if you tap this one, then you should probably see this edit information. Under edit information, you can see here add paid partnership label, add permission, generate partnership ad code. All you have to do is to toggle on this add paid partnership label. So once you turn this one on, you will see this option or feature below brand partners. So all you have to do is to tap this one and then add any brand partners or add a collaboration here. Okay, so that's how easy it is to add a collaboration once you have posted a reel on Instagram. Now, after that, what you're going to do is to click done, then go back to your profile, and you will see there your partnership or the collaboration that you have added. In case that you can't see this feature, what you're going to do is to simply go back to your profile and then go to the top right corner, tap this three lines. Now you have to simply click the settings and privacy, and then you have to scroll down and look for help. So tap help here. Then you will see this report a problem. You have to click this report a problem. After that, you click this report problem without shaking and then tap this include and continue. Now here you can tell them that I cannot add a collaboration after I have posted a reel, and can you please help me fix this issue? Actually, everything is up to you. The main thing is that you have added or entered your concern. You can upload or take a screenshot of your problem as a proof that you cannot add a collaboration on your Instagram after you have posted a picture or reels. After that, tap send, and all you have to do is to wait for the customer service team to respond and help you fix with that issue. But that's how easy it is to add collaboration in Instagram after posting reel. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.